Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Swetha. I have this month's Amazon haul for you guys. So this month I thought I'll just make a little change and I'll buy more hair accessories. So I always show you guys makeup or skincare which is related to skin. So as you guys know that I'm gonna get married by November. So for reception look, I'm thinking I'll go for this curly wavy hair, and I'll be doing my own makeup for my reception and my hair. So for wedding I'm hiring somebody because I'll be super stressed. So for reception I hope I won't be stressed, I don't know. So for reception I thought I'll just do my makeup and hair. So for that I bought a lot of hair accessories and hair stuff. So I'll just share it with you guys. So this is a little bit wavy now because I was tying it all the time. Otherwise my hair is really straight. So I wanted to try curling it. Not curling, just make a little bit of volume and little bit of wavy texture. So if you want to see that video, let me know in the comments down below. I'll make a video of how I do it. So now let's start with the Amazon haul and I'll show you guys what all things I bought for my hair. So let's get started. I'll just start with this thing. So this is the Streaks hair serum. So I bought this especially because of the fragrance. I love the smell of this one. It has a beautiful smell. And Streaks Professional, this is the hair serum that the professional people use on my hair whenever I go for a haircut. So I always loved that smell and I asked them which one this is. So I actually searched for it and bought it from Amazon. This is enriched with macadamia oil and vitamin E for a high gloss silky smooth finish. So this one is actually for 230 rupees, but I got it for 195 rupees from Amazon. And this is one serum that I liked using on my hair, and it smells amazing. So these are the rollers that I bought from Amazon. Can you see anything? Is it like too bright? Okay, basically you use this to create this wavy texture. So these are the big rollers, so you'll get big waves. I didn't want small intricate waves, so I wanted to have this volume hair look, so I went ahead with the big rollers. I'll show you guys. You will get these two together and you can buy this separate as well as together. When you buy it separate, you will get it for 179 rupees, which is actually 199, but you will get for 179. But if you are buying two packets together, you will get it for 299 rupees. So I think that's a really good deal. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It has this velcro thing so that you can like roll your hair and stick onto it, I guess. So when you roll it like this, you need a clip here to make it stand like that. So the next thing that I bought is the clips. Clips, you will get 12 pieces for it's actually 499 rupees, but I got it for 292 rupees from Amazon. Really good deal. So I'll open it and show you guys. So, and it has grip here so that it will stay really well. Let me just try it out. This is not actual tutorial of how to curl your hair, okay? I'll be doing that later if you want. So yeah, you just roll and put this clip here so that it will stay. So it's not like this. I'll later on show you guys how it is, but you got the point. These are 12 clips for 292 rupees. It's really good. Next thing that I bought is this round brush. So basically before you curl your hair, you are supposed to use this round brush and blow dry your hair, which will make your hair really, you know, wavy. I always wanted to buy this, but this is the first time I'm buying this. I'll figure out how to use this. I've never used this before. I've seen people use this in the parlor on my hair, but I've never tried it on my own. So I'll be trying this out. This actually is 499 rupees for this one, but I got it for 394 rupees from Amazon. So once that's done, you will move on to the hairspray. So you have to especially my hair won't stay at a place. It's really silky, so my hair will like, it'll go back to straight in no time. So I actually want a really good hairspray. So this one is from Gatsby Set and Keep Spray Extreme Hold. So once you have done that, you have to use your hairspray to hold it and keep it in place, because otherwise your hair will go back, because otherwise I can't talk today, I can't talk any day. Yeah. So yeah, these are the hair accessories that I bought, and I bought two other products as well, which is not under the hair products, but I bought the Garnier Micellar Water again. This is my, I don't know, 10th or 15th buy, I don't know. This is my favorite makeup remover. I've talked about this in my this or that video which I posted before this. So this is my favorite cleansing water. So yeah, this also I want for the wedding, that's why I bought this. And the next thing that I bought is this Color Bar liquid liner, which is waterproof, because for weddings you might cry. I will definitely cry, I'm a very emotional person. So I wanted waterproof eyeliner, because that's the first thing that will smudge on your face. So this is the waterproof eyeliner. It's very cute though. This is actually for 425 rupees, but I got it for 318 from Amazon. I hope this is really good. I've never tried it. Yeah, oh, I love this tip. I love this precise tip when they come, like it's very easy to draw. So this micellar water is actually 199 rupees, but I got it for 139 from Amazon. So yeah, I'll be putting all the links down below in the description box if you guys want to check it out. So these are the things that I bought this month from Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see any of the detailed review of these products, or if you want to see how I use it. Let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.